Hello everyone, today we are going to revise first chapter computer hardware. Before start this chapter, let's recap something about computer. The computer is a machine. It can perform several functions. It works on electricity. The computer performs its function in three steps. These are input, process and output. This is called IPO cycle. Computer accept data instruction, it's called input. Then after process the input data according to the instruction, it is called process, and gives result, it's our output. The computer has two parts that work together to form the computer system. These are hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. It consists of input devices, output devices and storage devices. Next one is software. So what is software? Software refers to a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. It is necessary to make the hardware work. Then after, let's see about input devices. Input devices are hardware devices with which you can input data and instruction in the form of words, numbers, sounds or pictures into the computer. Next one. How many input devices? First one is keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. So, keyboard is one type of input device, and keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. The standard keyboard has over 100 keys which can be divided into 4 groups. How many groups? 4 groups. First one is typing keys, second one is function keys, third one is navigation keys and fourth one is control key. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is handheld pointing device. It has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. You can click, double click or right click on the mouse to perform various functions such as selecting object, selecting text, moving object and drawing pictures. Next one, trackball. Trackball is also an input device. A trackball is a pointing device similar to the mouse. It has a ball on top. You move the cursor on the monitor by rolling a ball. Next, joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device. It is used to play games on a computer. It helps you to move object or the pointer on the monitor. A joystick gives you better control on game software such as racing and shooting games. Then after, light pen. Light pen is a pen-like pointing device. You use it to select an object on the display screen by pointing at it. You can also use it to draw directly on the screen. A light pen is mostly used by engineers, architects and fashion designers. So, how many pointing devices we learned today? First one mouse, second one trackball, third one joystick and fourth one light pen. Next, touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen that is sensitive to touch. You can select an object by directly touching it with your finger. Without any pointing device, the touch screen is used in cell phones, laptops, tablets and ATMs. Next one, touchpad. A touchpad is a touch sensitive pad that you can use instead of mouse. By moving your finger on the touchpad, you can control the movement of the pointer on the screen of the computer. Every laptop has built-in touchpad. Here in image, it is an touchpad. Next, scanner. A scanner is a device that makes digital copy of any text or picture on a paper. It means if we want any digital copy of text or picture on a paper, we use scanner and store it in the computer. Scanner are three types. How many types? Three types. First one flatbed, second one sheet fed, and third one handheld. The flatbed scanner is the most commonly used. Next one, microphone. A microphone allows you to record voice, music and other sound into the computer. It is also used to input commands by voice. So, where we can use microphone to record our voice, music and other sound into the computer. Next one, digital camera. A digital camera or a digicam is a camera that takes still photographs and videos. These are stored in a memory chip inside the camera. They can be transferred to a computer by connecting the camera to the computer. You can see and edit them on the computer. Next, web camera. The web camera or webcam is a special type of small digital camera attached to a computer. It can capture still images and videos. It is mainly used to share pictures and have live video chat on the computer. Here we use digital camera and also use web camera. But what is the difference? We can use digital camera to capture photographs and videos, and it is stored in a memory chip inside the camera, and we use web camera to capture images and videos, and it is mainly used to share pictures and have live video chat on the computer. Now next one is workout. Identify the input device from the clue. First one, two buttons and a wheel, so it is mouse. Then after second one, a laptop has it instead of mouse, so answer is touchpad. Third one, make digital copies of text and pictures, so it is scanner. Now